okay, you okay?
Fine.
İyi misin?
İyiyim.
Güzel he? You para, güzel.
Relief. And also, it's so near to the facilities.
Yeah. You know me, I don't like to live far from my training ground.
Yeah.
And then far from the airport also, I don't like to live far. So that's why I came close to the ground here.
It's really important.
Of course.
And also,
It's very important for me.
when your family come here,
Yeah.
because they are living in London.
Yeah. They're living in London. No, I decided to leave them there in London.
Yeah.
Because since 8-9 years, my family go to school in England, so I didn't want them to come here and then change so that's why I left them to England. Yeah, it's very important.
Yeah. And normally, what time do you go out for the training from home?
Oh, because my house is close to the training ground, so normally we're supposed to be there at 11 o'clock. So I leave my house maybe 10:45, and then I'm there sometimes at 10:50 or sometimes at 11, because it's too close. 5 minutes we are there.
You can go
by walk, yeah, of course. I can go by walk sometimes, yeah.
And do you have breakfast in home?
No. Me personally, I don't like to take my breakfast in the morning.
Yeah.
No. Because that is me. But some players, they like to take them breakfast in the morning. But me personally, I don't like, because I don't want to put something heavy in my stomach. I only drink before. No. I only orange juice. That's it. Yeah. Sometimes nothing, because I don't like to eat, and then I prefer to be like this. Go training, walk, and after training, good yemek and good soda.
Yeah.
And go back home. Yeah. Yeah, that is my life in the morning.
Yeah.
This no more. That book is my Bible. Bible is like a Quran, but that's a Christian.
It's holy.
Yeah, holy. Yeah. So I love this book, because every time, as I said, everything we do in this life, is because of God. So I think it's very, very important to pray God, and then to believe in God. Yeah. Because my family, my whole family, they are Christian, and then we all believe in God. So that's why you see me every time before training, before the game, after the game, I always pray. I say to God to help my teammates, to help my team, to help me also. And then after the game, it doesn't matter the result, I say thanks to God, because we finished the game before happiness. Yeah. Of course, He's always with me. Sometimes I live in my car, or sometimes I live in my dressing room, because He's always with me. Yeah, because when I take it with me, it's like God is with me. Yeah.
Feel yourself very strong.
Of course, yeah. But sometimes when I get angry, and then I take this one and read after my heart is that is me,
Yeah.
I'm natural. That is me, Emmanuel Oboye.
Yeah.
I'm natural, yeah. Of course.
Different character.
Of course, a different. Of course, when I play, I'm always nervous, because I always want to win. But when I finish training, I finish the game, I'm always relaxed. Go home with my Kadesh. We play Xbox, PlayStation. We play, and after that, we make nothing special, yeah. Training. You make, sleep, wake up, and that's it. Finish,
This is your life.
Yeah, that is my life in Istanbul.
Yeah.
In Istanbul, yeah.
Which games do you play with your brother?
I always play adventure game. No, I don't like to play football. Sometimes it's more adventure. you know, the walk. Yeah, that's very good. Or maybe catch, you know, catch. Catch, we play before fight. I love that, yeah, it's very good. Yeah.
In games, you are far away from football, I think.
Yeah, because you're always football, wake up in the morning, go back, training, play, training, game, always. So I said, no, let fan football. After training football, finish home, PlayStation, music.
Yeah.
And that's it.
And also, you're listening to music every time.
Of course.
Travels,
Of course.
camp.
Of course. It's more for me. It's like this. I am. No, I don't like to get stressed. I don't like to get stress in my head. Oh, no, I'm always relaxed. Always. Because sometimes some people think so. I'm not focused. I'm like this. I'm always focused. Always focus. Because I know that is my job. That is my job. So my family live from this job, so I have to always give my best for them, and then give also my best, So always when I come, I'm always laughing, but when I have to train, I'm always 100%. Yeah. So we are in the camp, that side camp. Günaydın. İyi misin? Kafa problem. Vallahi kafa problem.
About music, Didier says that the boy dances very well.
That is it, it's not me. Before, it's not before, but now I'm getting old, so I'm relaxed.
For the young times.
Yeah. So now I'm more relaxed, I'm more relaxed. But I love to dance. I like. It's very good sometimes to dance. As is that? El Monde, number 9. Each. Sabri Abi. Sabri. Yes. Room, captain room. I'm close. So when I don't sleep, come and look. Mano, sleep. This is our captain. So that is my room. You see, always Galatasaray. Galatasaray. You sleep Galatasaray. Wake up Galatasaray. Allah. You see my two young Turkish players, Simi and Emre Çolak. But now Emre, Kafa, problem. But good boy, very good boy. Wallahi, good boy. Simi also. Everybody, we are good, we are nice. Sometimes Kafa, me is Kafa problem, but we are good boy. And this is my family. This is me, my Ebo Junior. He'll play football now. Yes, maybe, I don't know. Matisse, the second one, that is my Eva and Clara. And that is me.
This photo from
that picture is I love that picture. Because it was against Fenerbahce. That was our last game last season. Against them after the last result, we were so happy. Look Andre hanging this guy is amazing, So we were so happy after the last result, Everybody was so happy. So I think this time it was my best times, here in Galatasaray. Yeah.
Most unforgettable moment.
Yeah. Of course, yeah. For me, yeah. So it's here, when you have to play a game, you sleep here, you do everything here. I'd always come.
Yeah.
Yes,
And what do you do usually in the camps? Films, reading books?
Yeah, sometimes I read my special books, or sometimes because I forget my Bible, the big one Bible I put there, and then I've got my laptop. I see. Always, when I said always music, and sometimes Skype.
To see your children?
Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes children, wife, my friends, everybody, because I'm alone here, I'm with my Kadesh here, with Danny, Drogba, and sometimes my friends, they come to visit me here. But I'm far from everything, like my family, like my parents, so I use Skype to see them. It's very, very important sometimes, yeah. Of course, I put that. That is my family. I put them picture here because my bigger daughter, she said to me one day, Daddy, last time I came to your room, I didn't see my picture. So I said, okay, no problem. And then I tell her, I said, choose which picture do you want. He said this one. So I bring that picture here for my daughters.
Take them here, or
No.
they will stay in London because of your schools?
Yeah. They stay in London because of the school.
Yeah.
But sometimes they come here when they have some days off, holiday, something like this. They come here. They have to see their daddy, So they'll come back soon to see the match against Madrid. So they'll be here. So I miss them a lot, and then I hope that God will bring them here safely.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Kafa. But good, sometimes good, sometimes yok. Kafa yok.
But this guy is very important for you.
Of course, yes, Met is very important for us because me, I don't speak Turkish. Turkish is difficult, eh?
But you speak Turkish very well.
Nah, I don't know. I see only Şelebele. Turkish is so difficult, my man.
Yeah.
Why we don't speak English here? Why?
But our language is Turkish.
So when we leave Turkish to go to England, so we don't speak English. You speak only.
No, we speak English, but the Turkish is.
I saw against Manchester when we went to play against Manchester in the airport.
Yeah.
Emre Tolak and Semi. When the police called them to check the passport. He asked to Emre, what is that? Emre. I say, Emre, Lutfen, please, Cornish English. Small to English, come on, hey. He say, man, difficult. But it's important, so sometimes it's good to speak. Because English, we speak everywhere. English, so I think it's everywhere in the world. So I think it's very, very important to speak English. So now we're going to the dressing room because you have to change.
Yeah.
And then of course, because my body is like a machine. So before to use the machine, you must to start first. Yeah, put everything. Put benzene inside. Benzene inside before to use. So my body is like a machine. Is like a Mercedes. So I put benzene inside before to train.
Yeah.
So
Benzene is for.
benzene is benzene is in the dressing room. Yeah, the benzene is there. Dressing room. I put benzene. No diesel, benzene. Of course. You know.
And also after training, you work very hard also.
Of course, yeah. So I think as I said, it's a machine. Your body is like a machine.
Yeah.
It's like the car. When you drive your car, sometimes you must, before to start your car, before to drive your car, you must to check first. You check your car. Yeah. your car is good to use, you use it. So if it's not good to use, my man, you go to see Burakabi, the doctor. So me, I'm going to first. I'm going to see the physio. Yeah. First, they check my machine. If my machine is good, I go to the gym, get ready, warm up, and after warm up,
Go to the pitch.
pitch now. But the training starts at 12 o'clock. Training starts. I did, girl. Me know you make it?
Yeah.
Nah, you make your. No, you make. I'm good. See, Hassan Shash?
Yeah, Hassan Shash.
Yeah, Hassan Shash.
During the Champions League game.
Yeah, Hassan Shash. Him, me, same. Kafa problem. Hassan, him and me. Problem.
Yeah.
Because Hassan. Muzafa, him there? Hey. Best minute, best Dakar, girl, eh? Buragavi, best Dakar, girl, eh? Okay. Yeah, Puma. Yes, sir. That is me, Emmanuel Obwe. Yes. And Aiden, you listen? Okay. What's the program? Kafa program. Always. Program. For me, it's very important to work, before the training. Yeah, very important to work. As I said, our body is like a machine, so we need to make him warm before to go out. Maybe 30 minutes before to go out. 30 minutes before to go out. It's good. It's very important to do that. Because sometimes you get injured when you are not warm, go out and after you got problem, so you must be ready, the body ready before to go out. Yeah. That's why you see always Zan is always working before to go out. That's good, very important. Mr. Jim. For me, Mr. Jim is name. I listen any music, any music. For me, doesn't matter for me. I listen any music here in the world, yeah. But more my country's music, African music, more African music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is always with you, huh?
Yeah. It's from the church. From the church, yeah. From the church. I'm a Catholic, so I believe in God a lot. So me, I want God to always protect me, because everywhere I go, I like to be protected, because I will never know in the life, so He's only knows. So every day before to leave my house, I say to God to protect me, and then after then also I said to Him to look after me, That's very important. Yeah. That's why I wear this one is like He protect me also.
Yeah.
I put here, and I've got also this one also with me. Always with me. It's been more for me. I believe in God a lot. Yeah. And Drogba also, he's got the same things like this. Drogba and Danny also, they got so, because in Africa we believe a lot in God, Yeah. Get.
Enjoy the life, enjoy the life. Life is short, and you have to enjoy the life. So, it's crazy, but in a good way. It's better this than people, they come like this. Every morning they're like this. And they're not happy, they don't enjoy. So he needs to enjoy the life, Yeah, it's good for the team because, when somebody smiles at you, you want to smile. So when somebody gives happiness, you want to be happy. So it's good. It's a very important guy for me, but for the team. Because you can be funny and not good. But he's funny and he's playing good. And this is very important. And when you are funny, you are enjoying your life, and you play well. Of course, all the teammates, they are happy. Everybody is happy. The dressing room is happy. The massage room is happy. The toilet is happy. The shower is happy. Everything is happy. Even the pitch is happy. Oh, Emmanuel Eboue, wow, it's happy. Yeah. And Gozo aussi, ils sont happy. Wow! Eboue!
Turkish finish Turkish.
Günaydın.
Merhaba. Nasılsın?
İyi.
İyi misin?
İyiyim.
Okay. Hayır, görüşürüz.
Evet.
Okay.
He's also Turkish teacher.
Yeah, you see, I learn good, eh?
Yeah. It's very good.
Why you want to feel my nose?
But Kafa is.
Oh. You laugh? You laugh?
No.
You laugh?
No.
You laugh?
No. Allez.
When you go down. he's a really great guy, and it's never a moment, you know, he's quiet in the dressing room. He's always up to something, but in a good way, a really good way. And he's always joking around in the dressing room, and plus he's a very good football player also, and that's very important, you know, to have a mix like that. That's very good for us.
Do you want to say anything about your special moment with him? A special thing?
No, that's something I keep for myself. We're having many good memories with Manu, because he's such a good guy, and also and he's not only this guy, he's also a serious guy, you know, and he's very professional, and I talk a lot with him also, because he's a nice man, and he's always keen about everybody feel good in the dressing room. So I really like him. He's a good football player, but also a good friend.
Evet, Emmanuel Yeboah hem müthiş bir profesyonel hem de takım arkadaşlarına inanılmaz bir enerji veriyor, müthiş pozitifliğiyle. Neler söylemek istersin?
Vallahi tabii bu yabancı futbolcuların arasında bu kadar çok çabuk adapte olan çok nadir futbolcu vardır. Yani hem efendiliğiyle hem sinerji dolu bir insan. Yani tesisin içine girdiği zaman hakikaten her tarafa pozitif yansıyor. Biz de onu çok seviyoruz. Yani inşallah futbolculuk hayatı Galatasaray'da son olur. Onu çok seviyoruz. Dünya beyefendisi bir kardeşimiz.
Bravo!
You know, at the moment you are in the league. We are first. We got I think 4 points between us and Fenerbahce. So it's nobody. No, it's nobody. We know it's not difficult. This year is very tight for us, but we must be always focused. You know. We must stop to make a lot of mistakes, you know, because sometimes when we play, we made a lot of mistakes, you know, and then we give our opportunity a lot of a chance. So I think we must be very focused always when we play, and then try to win our games, you know. That's the most important. Yeah. You know, as I said, because some people they call us, they say now Madrid is a very big team for us to play against. Of course, Madrid is a good team. Galatasaray also, you know, we have a good team. So if you are qualified for the, so now we are in the quarterfinals. So we deserve to be there. We played against Manchester United, against Cluj, and against Braga, you know. So nobody believed in us, you know, because for some people, the things Galatasaray couldn't do anything there, you know. But we showed them in the second half. We did our best, you know. We beat Manchester, we beat Cluj, we beat Braga. So I think we did well. We deserve to be there. And after we played against Schalke. A lot of people also, you know, they were scared. We were scared because they said, no, Schalke, we're going to beat Galatasaray. We played against Schalke here. It was difficult for us, you know. We draw 1-1 against them here. And then when we went there away against them there, we did well. We were so relaxed, we played our football in the first half, we did very, very well. It wasn't also easy, but I said thanks to God to give us that victory after that game. But now we got another game, against Real Madrid. We know them. We know Mourinho. We know Madrid players. We against them a friendly game. Yeah. Yes, we lost. Yes, we lost 2-1 there, but we did very, very well. We played well. We know already it's gonna be difficult, but not only for us, but it's gonna be difficult for the boss team. We respect Madrid, but we are not scared of them. They got some good players like us. We got a lot of good players. And then me, I believe everything I do, I believe I put that in God's hand. And then we must be focused. And then don't put some pressure on us. We must go there, relax, and then play our football. Me, I want to say thanks to God, because this happiness that God gave me is I don't know why, but He knows why He gave me this chance to be always happy, to make my teammate happy. Because as DJ Drogba said this morning, me, I don't like to see my partner or some people be down. No. I'm always, when I see somebody, I want them to be happy. Doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter which friends we have, but you must be always happy, because of your life is very short. We don't know which thing gonna happen, so you must be always happy. And then the problem don't show to your friend or to your partner or to your family that we doesn't have anything. If you are poor, you must be happy, because we never know why you are poor. It's only God knows why you are poor. So you must be always happy. That's why me, when I've got problem, I never show to my teammate that I'm not feeling well, I'm bad. No. I always keep myself. And then because they know me, that one guy, he like to jog, to be happy. So me, I'm like this, I'm always make everybody happy. But some people think I'm a big clown, but I'm not that. God knows why I'm like this, because me, I prefer to make everybody happy. Where I go, when I see someone down, I'm always try to make him happy, and then always make him happy. It's very important here. Mr. Fatih Terim Ojam. Me, to be honest, it's not because he's my coach, No, it's not because that. Me, I starting to know him, He's got his character. Everybody got his character in their life, But it's not because sometimes he's sometimes aggressive, and then you're gonna think he's not nice. No. He's a guy. He's a very nice guy. He's he like his job. He's like me. Me, when I play, I change. When I'm in the pitch, I'm not the same Emmanuel boy, because that is my job. So I'm always focused, serious, and then when you see my face, you scared, you think I'm nervous. No, but I'm not nervous. I'm similar like Hassan Shash. We are similar, because him, when you see him, he's always like this. He's the same like me, But they are nice guy. They are open with everybody. When we got some problem, when you come to ask them, they help you straight, And then Ojam here, he took us like our son, Everybody here is we took him like our dad also, because he's always with us. He's more with us than his family, so we respect him. Sometimes it's normal, sometimes he's getting angry, on the pitch, but that is Ojam. Everybody knows him, But we forget that, and then we play because he want us to give always our best on the pitch, and then to give our best also for Galatasaray, you know. That's why sometimes on the pitch is always nervous. But me, I understand, but we are happy with that, and then we continue our way with that, and then we hope that Hala gonna give us this year maybe another trophy, you know, for this club here. No. To be honest, you know, that is my first time to see this kind of fans, you know. Our fans, you know, they are, you know, my brother, my cadet, sometimes when it comes to watch the game, and then you see our fans, they are screaming, they are shouting. He gets, you know, he's scared. He say, Manu, what is that? I say, here, they love football, no. They love football, but they can put everything they want for the football. When we see them, they are amazing, you know. They're amazing, and then me, I'm happy, you know. I'm happy because they are always with us. Doesn't matter where we go. When we go to China, to Japan, everywhere we go, they are there, you know. But me, I say thanks to them, you know. I want them to come always to support us, you know, because every time I said, when we say Galatasaray is not only for the players or for the staff. No, Galatasaray is for everybody. It's for the fans, for the president, for the players, for Ojam, everybody, you know. That is the family. So we want them next to us. We want them to come to support us always. Yeah.
Day is over in facilities. Now, what are you gonna do?
Now I finished my day with Galatasaray.
Yeah.
So now I think maybe I will go home, or maybe I will go to Pima shop because I have to go there to take some shoes, some boots.
Yeah.
Against Madrid. So I will go there to change, take new shoes.
New special shoes for Madrid.
Yeah.
They can bring you a good luck.
Inshallah, why not? Inshallah. That is at the moment I'm happy because of the team, the whole team. We are focused, you know. We are focused, and then we want to do something better, like last season. You know, we want to bring some trophies here, for more trophies for our club, you know. But I think, inshallah, maybe God gonna give us that chance, you know, to get another trophy here, you know. Yeah, that is our opportunity at this year. You know, we want to win something this year. You know, win maybe one or two trophies, you know, for Galatasaray, inshallah. Yeah. Hi everybody, this is my day in Florida, Galatasaray Club, football club. See you, I hope to see you next time. God bless you, and hi Gurush.